Hello, friends. How are things going? Welcome back to my channel, Stoic Pathos. Today, I'm delving deeply into one of the most often asked questions. What can you say to a woman to make her completely fall for you? I'm going to provide 5 powerful suggestions, each based on psychology, to help you connect with her on a deeper level. Before we begin, let me ask for your assistance. YouTube thrives on engagement, so if you find my work useful, please like, comment, and share it. The greatest way to give back is to click the like button right now. It's a tiny action that has a significant impact, helping our channel develop and ensuring more people see this type of material. Can I count on you? If you're new here or haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and enable alerts. That way you won't miss any of the valuable information I provide in each video. Okay, let's go right in. Number 1. Since most guys are interested in a lady, it's important to understand when compliments backfire and how to rectify them. They typically shower her with trite praises such as "you're beautiful" or "you have amazing eyes." While it's normal to want to vent your emotions, this strategy frequently backfires. Why? These praises are predictable and lack the depth necessary to make your compliments unforgettable. Concentrate on 2 important elements. Make the comment feel earned rather than overwhelming her with praise every time you see her. Allow your admiration to unfold. Naturally, congratulate her in a way that makes you feel like you're gradually finding her unique features over time. Highlight something meaningful. Compliments regarding her personality, talents, or goals have a significantly greater impact than those about her appearance. For example, if she says she wants to be a psychologist, tell her you're very approachable. I can vividly envision you assisting people in opening up. It's as if you have a natural aptitude for understanding others. Finish with a humorous twist, such as, "Too bad, you are such a goofball." This keeps the tone light and demonstrates that you are interested in her, but not in an overbearing way. Take up the role of selector. Here's the truth. The vast majority of men are unaware of this fact. Attraction works both directions. It isn't just that she's amazed by you, it's about her feeling the need to win you over too. When you gently convey that you are evaluating her qualities, the dynamic shifts. Most males try too much to impress women. However, if you approach her with the mindset of, "Let's see if she meets my standards," she will feel forced to work more to get your approval. This reverses the script, putting you in control of the engagement. Women respect their work, and more effort is better. This technique is known as the golden mirror method. The more you pay attention to her, the more attached she will get. Keep her guessing. One of the most common mistakes men make is being too predictable. Women are natural meaning makers. They are constantly interpreting what your actions and words may indicate. When you keep her guessing, you generate a feeling of mystery, which keeps her brain engaged. Here's how you do it. Send mixed signals. For example, tell her you like her and then follow up with playful teasing or lighter resistance. Be unexpected in your behavior, and replies don't always respond quickly or in predictable ways. This mental exercise is incredibly addictive since it stimulates her innate curiosity. She will think about you more because you're difficult to figure out. Number 4 is future projection music. This is a fun and effective technique to deepen your connection by subtly instilling the concept of a future together in her thoughts. After taking a selfie with her, casually mention something like, "Wow, we'd make beautiful babies," and swiftly change the subject. This strategy solidifies the concept of a future with you without being overly serious or dramatic. It sparks her curiosity and humorously links her thoughts to you. Number 5, utilize her name to develop intimacy. It may appear simple, but saying her name during talks, particularly when making eye contact, is a subtle yet powerful approach to foster connection. When you say her name, you capture her attention and generate a spark, making the connection feel more personal and important. If you've ever had someone use your name in a heated debate, you understand how powerful this can be. It prompts her to question whether, in her role as the selector, she should be worthy of your attention. There is a deeper relationship between you two, which you should steer clear of. As important as knowing what to say is knowing what not to say. Here are 2 common pitfalls to avoid. Expressing your emotions too soon. Telling her "I like you" early in the conversation may appear to be a daring move, but it actually destroys the chemistry, eliminates the mystery, and gives her complete control, which can cause her to lose interest in clarifying your objectives if she believes you're attempting to persuade her to like you. This could come across as needy or desperate. You can't force attraction. Instead, you can help her intuitively grasp the final concepts. Attraction is a process. It's about making real, multifaceted connections that go beyond surface-level compliments or expected movements. When you approach conversations with care and intention, you might make her feel like she's seeking you. If you enjoyed this video, please consider supporting the channel by liking it. To help it reach more people, subscribe and enable notifications so you never miss out on new stuff. Also, leave a comment below with the words, "I am the most attractive man to women." Your participation allows me to continue producing high-quality material for you. Please share your ideas or ask any questions in the comments section. I enjoy hearing from you. Until the next time, stay confident, positive, and continue growing.